Hello everyone. Today we'll be going through two questions. These are related to area and perimeter, and which is very important for IGCSE students. If you have just learned the topic, it's better to practice these type of questions. These are medium difficulty level questions, and I have chosen compound shapes. Compound shapes mean like there are two shapes which are attached with each other. So these are very interesting questions. Hopefully this will increase your skill level. And first question, if we go through the first question, this says ABCDE is a pentagon, and keep in mind diagram is not drawn to the scale. We need to work out the area of this pentagon, and this is 3 marks question. As I told you, this is a medium difficulty level question. So there are two shapes combined together. One shape is this much, which is trapezium shape, which we can see. This is the trapezium shape, and we can number this one as shape 1. And the second shape we can figure out, this is the triangle, which is right angle triangle, and we can number this as shape 2. If we find the area of these two shapes and add those two areas together, that will be the total area of the pentagon. So we can apply the formula for trapezium, and area of trapezium will be equal to half into a plus b into h, and a plus b are the two parallel sides. So we are having this side and this side which are perpendicular to each other. We will be taking a and b, and keep in mind h is always the perpendicular distance between these two parallel sides. So we can replace the values. So it will be half into a plus b, we can take as 14 plus 20 into h, perpendicular distance is 11, and we can simplify this by the help of calculator. So 0.45 into 14 plus 20 and multiply by 11, and this is resulting to 187. And if we check the units, which is centimeters, so it will be centimeters square for area. Now the second shape is area of triangle. So area of triangle formula also we can write. Always better to write on the formula area of triangle, because if you are doing mistake in substituting values, even then you will get a mark for the formula which you are writing properly. So half into base into height, this will be the area of triangle. And if we replace the values, so it will be half into base is 7 and height is 10. So we can write here 7 into 10. So this will be 0.5 or half into 7 into 10, and this will be resulting to 35 centimeters square. And finally area of shape will be equal to 187 plus 35. 187 plus 35 will be 187 plus 35 is 222. This one answer we can write as 222 centimeter square. Keep in mind, if they have mentioned that give answer in two significant figures, then your answer will be 220. If they are asking for one significant figure, then it will be 200. So accordingly you will have to provide answer. It is very important to provide answer in the specified format. So in this case they have not mentioned, so I am writing 222 centimeters square. This will be the final answer for this question. So what we have done, we have identified two shapes which are joined together, and we need to find the area of separate both shapes, and then we have to add those two areas, and we got the final answer. The second question which I have chosen is this one, which is saying part of a running track is the arc of a semicircle joined to a straight line. So this is the semicircle which is up to this one, and straight line portion is this one. So we can identify these are the two portions. The semicircle has a diameter of 75. Diameter is 75, so we can figure out the radius, and radius is what? Radius will be, say for example, this is the center. So from the center to the circumference, this much will be the radius. R value will be equal to half the diameter, so we can write 45 by 2. So this will be the radius. Now they are saying the straight line has length of 75 centimeters. So 75 centimeter here, this length is also provided, and Abe runs once along this part of the track in 18 seconds. Work out average speed, give your answer to two significant figures. In this case they are requiring for answer in two significant figures, and this question is 4 marks. So what we will do, we will find the length basically of this track. So the semicircular portion, which we can take this one as 1 and this one we can take as 2 for your identification I'm taking. So length will be equal to length semicircle, or this is like circumference. You know, circumference, formula for circumference is what? If I write on the formula for circumference, C is equal to 2 pi r. So if it is complete circle, then this will be equal to 2 pi r, but this is in case of semicircle. So circumference of semicircle, or you can write the length of semicircle. Length in case of semicircle will be what? This will be equal to 2 pi r over 2, and we can cancel, so this will be pi r, and r will be, r is what? 45 by 2, which we have indicated over here. So we can write pi into 45 by 2, which is radius. So pi r, basically this will be 2 pi r. So 2 pi r is for the complete circumference, so we have taken half of 2 pi r. So this will be the semicircle. Then the straight track, which is 75 meter, so that one also so total length, total distance, we can say total distance is equal to pi into 45 by 2 and plus 75, and this will be equal to, we can write pi and in brackets 45 over 2 and bracket close, and then plus 75, and this is resulting to 145.685. so 145.68, and last number I'm rounding to 6, and then this will be in meters, and we need to calculate the speed, average speed. You know, speed is equal to distance over time, so we can write speed is equal to distance divided by time, and distance is 145.686 and divided by 18 seconds. So we will divide this by 18 and we will get divide by 18 and we will get 8.093. so 8.093, and two significant figures we can write, because answer they are looking for two significant figures, so we can write 8.1, 8.10 or 8.1, this one. this will be up to 2 significant figures. You know, ending zeros are non-significant, leading zeros are non-significant, and only the zeros in between the non-zero numbers are significant. So significance rules also you need to revise for this question. So this is the final answer which we got, and keep in mind this was 4-mark question. Both the questions which we have done today are practice for area and perimeter questions. Area of 2D shapes. 2D shapes, one shape was triangle, the other one's trapezium, and this one was semicircle and straight line. So this was basically also a perimeter question, or which they have also applied the speed formula also. So hopefully you understood, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and recommend this channel to your friends and class fellows, and introduce this channel to your respective teachers. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.